shade right here, and it's from my Milani Vital 6 palette. I'm just going to take my Morphe 514 brush, and I'm going to focus this mainly in my crease. So I'm not going to use it as a transition shade. I'm just going to build it, and then I'm going to blend it out with a different shade. I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer for a base for my eyeshadow, and I lightly set it in place with my Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. No, so I just readjusted the camera, so I know it's probably kind of cut off up here, but I just did that because it was easier for me to figure out where exactly to place this blue when I look down, because I can kind of see my whole eyelid in the mirror. So I'm just gonna take this green right here and blend out this blue. Now I'm going back in with that Morphe brush, and I'm not adding any more product. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. So now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35P palette, and I'm going to take this purple shade right here, and I'm going to apply that next to the blue, my outer corner. Next, I'm going into the palette that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to take this pink right here and apply it next to the purple. So I'm going to use this yellow eyeshadow here, and it came from NYX, and this is in the shade Butterscotch Caramel. Now I'm going to go into my eyebrows. This is the first time that I've ever done this, and I hope that it goes really good. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be going in with this e.l.f. Dip Brow, and this is in the shade Espresso. I'm just gonna lightly fill them in. I think that's all I'm gonna do for my eyebrows. I'm gonna prime my face with the rest of my Crease Prime and Fine Setting Spray / primer. I have to go and get more. My MAC Studio Fix, I believe it's called. Yep, Studio Fix Fluid, and this is in the shade NC55. And I'm gonna be mixing that with the Maybelline Better Stay Skin in the shade Golden Honey. Better Skin, Super Stay Better Skin, shade Golden Honey. You guys, I am even almost out of this. Like, this is crazy. I'm kind of upset now though, because I don't feel like I use that much. Okay, I'm upset that I didn't even take the time to look at how much was in this thing, because it's not very much. I'm salty, but you know what? It's cool because it's really, really good. I just know that I need to buy more than one or don't use it every day. I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. We're gonna brighten it up a little bit. I'm going to contour with the Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is in the shade C16. And I'm setting with the Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. So for underneath my eyes, I am going to take that blue and green that I used up here. And first I'm going to just pack on the blue, and then I'm going to blend it out with the green. Just gonna go in with that yellow from NYX, the butterscotch shade, and apply that to my lower lash line as well. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. I'm gonna go into my Revolution Mermaid palette, and I'm gonna take this pink shade right here and apply it directly over my inner corner pink. Taking Orange County by NYX, I'm gonna apply this to my waterline. Bronze my face and set the contour. I'm going to be going in with my Lacombe in the shade 550 Suede. Contour, I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is Hollow, and this is my NYX contour and highlighting palette. Let's set my face. For highlight, I'm going to use this pink shade and this gold shade, so I'm going to mix these two together. My goodness, Revolution, baby. I'm gonna go over my inner corner.